When I Die by Jalaluddin Rumi. When I die, when my coffin is being taken out, you must never think I'm missing this world. Don't shed any tears. Don't lament or feel sorry. I'm not falling into a monster abyss. When you see my corpse is being carried, don't cry for my leaving. I am not leaving. I'm arriving at eternal love. When you leave me in the grave, don't say goodbye. Remember, a grave is only a curtain for the paradise behind. You'll only see me descending into a grave. Now, watch me rise. How can there be an end when the sun sets or the moon goes down? It looks like the end. It seems like a sunset. But in reality, it is a dawn. When the grave locks you up, that is when your soul is freed. Have you ever seen a seed fallen to earth, not rise with a new life? Why shall you die with the rise of seed named human? Have you ever seen a bucket lowered into a well, coming back empty? Why lament for a soul when it comes back like Joseph from the well? When for the last time you close your mouth, your words and soul will belong to the world of no place, no time.